Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. I'm just going to be straight to the point. I don't want to waste your data. So I was looking at this demand zone for some week now. So if we go to the daily time frame, we could see this little break of this high here and this little candle here. So this last week, the market came into it. I'm expecting more bullish move. Right, I'm expecting more bullish move. So I'm expecting the break of this, total break of this high. Although we took some sells here, but the high that made this low. So I'll just stick to this. So I want to see the markets go above here, then give me a demand zone. Then I'll join into, go higher. So I'm bullish on AU and GU anyways. I'm bullish on them. So I will be looking forward to see the markets give me confirmations, and I will see how I can buy. So if we check GU2, I have that little demand zone down here. I'm expecting the market to tap and give me my confirmations. GJ and JPY, I think I saw a trade. Okay, yeah, I took this trade. This little demand zone. Market came here and I got out here. It was a 1 to 3.9 risk reward ratio. Check JPY2. Yeah, I took a buy on it too. I want to show you a clearer one. So the little demand zone here came into that person and went up. So basically, on my 4 pairs for the week, I am going to see what JPY pairs will do. I don't have any buyers on them, but on GU and AU, I have a demand zone I'm expecting the market to come for, then I buy. So GU is yet to be there, but AU is already in the demand zone. So I'm expecting a confirmation before I go higher. So that's what I have. That's what I have on that. I've been trading synthetic indices now for some time. And I like the way the market moves there. So I don't know. I think some of my followers and students already take them too. So I have decided I will be adding it to my weekly analysis to give you some buyers I'm looking forward to. So I dropped this trade in the group today and is already deep in profit. So let me see. I dropped it. This was just today at 9:11 a.m. That was when I dropped the trade. And this was when I was in. Told them it is in profit and I was in. So tapped me in and was in profit. This is what we have. I'm still expecting it to go higher, but I've taken some of my profits off. I'm expecting it to go higher. When the market gets here, I will see if it will give me a sell signal, then I will sell too. So basically, that's what I have on volatility 50. That's what I see. Volatility 25. It broke this high after clearing this low. So I want to see if it will come down to get me in, then I will try to take it higher too. This broke a low, and we are expecting to see if it's still going to come lower. If not, if it breaks this high totally, then I won't be interested in the sell anymore. But if it can give me some kind of confirmation on the lower time frame, maybe this 5 minutes, I'm looking to take a sell. So I'm looking to take a sell. So for pure confirmation, I would want to see this low taken out. If the market can come below this low, I will look for a good supply zone, then join the sell all the way down. So basically, that's what I have for volatility 10. And I think that's pretty much everything I have. Okay, these are some of the trades I've taken. You can see this sell. You can see the buy. It took this buy. I think I was in this buy too. This was a sell to buy. I sold, then I joined the buy upward. This is volatility 10 1x. I like 10, 10 1x, 25 and 50. Those are the four I trade. And what I see here is it's still an up move, so I'm waiting to actually buy. This was just a short time sell. So right now, I'm trying to see if this market can come all the way here or here. It has left too many demand zones untouched. So I want to see what it's trying to do. And but for now, I am in volatility 50 buy, and I'm expecting the TP to come all the way up here. So that's what I have for you guys. I hope we are learning. I hope we are gaining. I will see you guys later. Bye.